G'day guys, welcome back. Today we're in the MGA. Got the hardtop still sitting on there. I've been doing a little bit of homework on this and there's a video coming on the update on the hardtop. But for now it's just sitting up there. It's not connected in any way, but keeps reminding me of the project that needs to be done. Now, I came out here, I was going to take this off and take the MGA out for a bit of a spin. Needed to go out and get some stuff. Now that restrictions have been lifted, we've got a little bit more freedom to get out and about and enjoy these things. Okay, so I came out to start the car and this is the response the old MGA gave me. Not a lot of life, unfortunately. And silly me, I've got a trickle charger that's in the cupboard. Probably not the best place for that, considering now I've got 2 dead batteries. Yet the MGA runs 2 6 volts. I haven't converted this, it's still the original 6 volt batteries. So I'll take you through and show you how the trickle charger is connected to those batteries and how easy it is to keep these batteries maintained and not allow this to happen so you can get out and enjoy these cars more free. Okay, so what we have here is the lead part that connects to the batteries. Now there is a eyelet that will fit through the thread on your screw for your battery terminal just there. There's a little fuse there. Coming across here, there's another eyelet that will connect to your negative terminal on this battery. I've then just mounted it behind the seats, and then the little plug that will connect to your wall power. I've just hidden down there behind the carpet there. So it's really accessible. It's neat, it's tucked away for when you're out and about. So this is the next part of the kit. And this is ideal for maintaining classic cars, motorcycles, jet skis, rider mowers, anything that's basically infrequently used. Now, being that it is a fused harness back to the battery there, this will allow you to permanently connect to the vehicle whilst it's stationary via the quick connect plug, which allows for you to easily connect to the car. It also has these LED light indicators that will show you if the power is on, when it's charging, or also when it's maintaining the battery. The safe charger is spark free, so it's going to be easy for you to use. It also plugs directly into your standard electrical outlet. Guys, that's a wrap on maintaining your batteries here with the trickle charger. You see it's pumping away in the background there, getting these topped up. Anyway guys, I hope you liked this video. If so, give it a like down below, even make a little comment there, and if you haven't already, subscribe. And otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. See you guys, bye.